unlike anything that you've seen before.
Down on the top of the mouth, down on the roof of the mouth, perfect position. The Camelback Jig. Looks beautiful.
Yeah, this Camelback Jig has been designed unlike any other jig on the market. Unlike anything that you've seen before. It's been designed to work with the Slide-Off Weedguard. And what does that mean? That means that you get 360-degree hook protection from the front, from the back, and from the sides. So you can fish it with confidence. When you flip it in the thick of things, you know that this jig is not going to get hung up. It is just fantastic. Yes, let's talk about hookup ratio. When you get a bite with the Camelback Jig, your hookup ratio is going to go through the roof because you're going to get a consistent hook release every single time you set the hook on this jig. Unlike the conventional jigs that the weed guards get weakened by cutting them, trimming them, spreading them, and everybody has his own little opinion on how to properly tailor this brush guards. Well, that does not happen with the Camelback Jig. You're gonna get a constant hook release every single time. You're gonna get what I call hair trigger hook sets. Now how does that happen? When the fish gets it in his mouth, the weed guard gets deployed when you set the hook, exposing the entire hook point, not just the point, the entire hook point. And you don't get a negative reaction going up unlike the other weed guard. That the weed guard is trying to go back to his normal state, so he's creating a negative force. That's inconsistency. That is not going to happen with the Camelback Jig. So let's talk about hookup ratio. Your hookup ratio is going to go through the roof with the Camelback Jig. Now, let's see how to attach the Slide-Off Weedguard to the Camelback Jig. It literally takes 2 seconds to put it on. Watch. 2 seconds. Less than 2 seconds. And you are 360-degree protected. 360-degree completely weedless. Takes 2 seconds to attach it. Here we go. Boom. Ready to go. The weed guard has an opening in the back all the way at the end. That's where the hook point goes in. After the hook point goes in past the barb, then you attach it to the eye of the hook. Very simple and very effective. Well, now you've seen all the good qualities and all the good properties that makes this Camelback Jig the best jig you'll ever have. 360-degree hook protection every single time. Hair trigger hook sets every single time. Hookup ratio goes woo, way up. Just the best jig you'll ever have. Give it a try.